Our goal at T-Mobile is to be your hometown network and be a part of your community for the long term. Hometown Grants is a program to support economic development projects in small towns all across the country.
The people of Moses Lake are a tight-knit community that supports local and supports small.
The Ober Project is a business incubator, and it's meant to help small businesses that aren't sure if they can make a retail storefront work.
The Ober Project ended up being a space that can hold 5 businesses, very small spaces, just as if you were setting up at a market or, a vendor on a street, but it's a permanent space.
When we received the Hometown Grant, we found some contractors, we were able to do the flooring, and we were able to paint, and all of the furniture as well.
A+ wood shops. We didn't have a solid location. We were working out of the home. The Ober Project gave us a space to kind of build relationships with our customers. They could come in, see our work. They would feel confident with doing orders with us.
The Tree Fort Children's Museum started in 2018 to have a children's museum in town for families to learn STEM. A year ago, we were given the opportunity to be inside this Ober Project and have a physical space that families can come and experience it every single day that they're open, and it's free. Without the Hometown Grant, we wouldn't be here.
This is a perfect opportunity for anyone to be able to start a business and to have the space to be able to do it in.
The Ober Project was a big moment for our community as a whole. We are just thrilled and every day grateful to have had this funding to make this possible.